Good morning and welcome to Guaranty RV here in beautiful Junction City. I'm here to show you this wonderful brand new 2020 24F Winnebago Outlook. They're gorgeous. Come on in and I'll show you the inside right away. When you step in, the first thing you notice is the roomy double seating here in the dinette area. Got plenty of room for 4 people to sit here and enjoy a nice breakfast or a cup of coffee. Also on the front cap, this is an extra large cab over sleep area. It's more like a double bed rather than just a single unit. It does make out nicely into a sleeping area with the extra fan overhead for airflow and the window on the side. Lots of cabinetry, storage areas galore. A little cubby hole here for your spices or whatever you choose to put there under the sink. A double sink with a nice tall spout. You've also got the 3-burner glass top stove and a convection microwave rather than the oven. More storage. It's very much not lacking in storage. Big closets. Lots of pantry room, and you can take the shelves out and make this a hanging closet if you like. Nice sized refrigerator for a 24-foot unit. You've got your sink outside the bathroom. That way you don't have to worry about, number 1, it takes up space. Number 2, if you need the sink and the bathroom's busy, you've got that access. Great shower space. Lots of room in there. The bed in this unit, I feel, has become longer than the normal corner beds you see in this size unit. They've done some work and redesigned the kitchen and closet space to give that tall person some room to lay down and stretch out. Gorgeous unit, lots of space, and we're looking at one slide, and it's a wall slide with the refrigerator and the dinette. And if you did have a space where you weren't able to use this slide, you can still use everything in this unit just fine without it. Come on out and I'll show you the great storage. Little tiny cubby hole in here. This is where you can get access to your propane tank and set up your outside grill if you'd like to do that. Over here is where you will get all of your tables, chairs, and grilling supplies out from this great big storage area. Coming around this side, you'll notice that you do have an access to your roof with the outside ladder, a rear view camera, and this will be your driver's side storage. And your 3600 awning generator. This will give you enough power to supply power to anything inside that's electricity if you are dry camping. A great unit, price to sell. These guys are going to be taking over the campground. So come on in and see what one looks like and drives like, and I'll be happy to help you on this gorgeous sunny day. You have a great day, and thank you for taking a look at my video.